So you're getting 100 leads per month on Facebook for your own real estate, business, which is absolutely crazy. How much ad spend were you spending to get 100 leads?
$10 a day.
$10 a day, and that's $10 Canadian, by the way. That's not even like $10 US, because I got the majority of people who are subscribed on this YouTube channel. And if you're not subscribed yet, highly recommend that you subscribe down below. But majority of people that are following me on my social media as well as on YouTube is primarily from the States. And $10 a day, which is around $7.50 US. It's around $7 US to $7.50 US a day. And he was spending that per month to get 100 leads on Facebook. That is fucking crazy. Absolutely crazy numbers. How much was the cost per lead then?
Well, my cost per lead was about $2. Around $2. So I was getting more than 100 leads a month. So if I'm spending about $300 a month, I was getting like 150 leads a month.
That is so crazy. And it's
which I still do. That's what I'm still getting.
Yeah, that is crazy numbers. And that's only within that neighborhood of yours, right?
In the city.
In the city, yeah.
Full city, yeah, the whole city.
Those are just crazy numbers. And how did you process those leads? Because that's a lot of leads in a short amount of time. 150 people just coming into the door and be like, hey, I'm ready to buy or sell a home in the next like few months or so. Those are a lot of people to kind of go back and call with. So what kind of systems did you have in place in order to mitigate those leads and to drive them to become legitimate buyers and sellers?
Well, here's the thing with online real estate leads. Most of them are not going to be good leads. Most of these people are just window shoppers, right? They're just looking, they're on their Facebook app, they're scrolling through, an ad pops up of some nice homes, like, they click it, they're just looking around, and they don't end up being good leads. So like out of the 100 leads, we're seriously only looking for one or two person that's very serious, because there's one or two people, it's a lot of commission, right? That's could be anywhere from $8,000 to $25,000, right? Just one person. So, but a good CRM system helps. That's what it is. A good CRM system and phone calls. That's all it is. You got to make phone calls. And I delegated that to my partner because I didn't have the time. I didn't want to take all that time to make phone calls because I also want to do the marketing stuff, right? I wanted to run a marketing agency, but you got to make the phone calls. That's the thing. You got to call these people. You got to talk to them.